Namaste, Chachi. How are you?
Namaste, beta. I'm good. When did you come from city?
Just yesterday.
This time you came back after a year. Tell me, what did you bring from the city?
Chachi, Bhaiya brought a computer for me.
Computer? What wastage of money. You should have brought a TV instead.
Chachi, it's not wastage of money. A computer does lot more than a TV. You just can watch movies, serials, news and songs on a TV. But using a computer, you can connect to your family and friends who are far away from you. You can even see and talk to them sitting miles away. In addition, you can keep safe any kind of information in a computer. Big calculations can be done just in a blink of eye. Also, using a computer, you can book your railway tickets, operate your bank accounts, book your LPG cylinders, and get information on different government departments and ministries.
Wow, a computer does so many things. I never knew.
Sure, Chachi. For that you will have to come to my home. I'll show you my computer and will let you know how it works.
Okay, then let's go. I'm so excited to see your computer.
Sure, Chachi. Please come.
So, Chetna, do you also know how to work on computer?
Yes, Chachi, I know little about computer as I'm taught in my school.
See, Chachi, this is our computer.
Wow, it really looks just like a TV. But how can it be different from TV and how does it work?
Well, first you need to learn and understand the basics of computer, to know about computer and how it works. After completing this module, you will be able to explain what is computer, identify the components of a computer, describe the computer memory, identify the hardware and software of a computer, set up a computer, start a computer.